Hi, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Have you ever turned on your TCL Roku TV, heard the sound but saw a completely black screen? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common problems TCL Roku TV users face. In this video, I'll guide you through simple step-by-step methods to fix the issue. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do if your TV shows sound but no picture. Step 1. Restart your TCL Roku TV. The first and easiest fix is restarting your TV. Unplug the power cord directly from the wall socket. Wait at least 60 seconds. While waiting, press and hold the power button on your TV for 30 seconds to drain extra power. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Many times, this simple reset clears temporary glitches. Step 2. Check HDMI and cable connections. Loose or damaged HDMI cables can cause a black screen. Turn off your TV, remove all HDMI cables, and reconnect them firmly. If possible, try a different HDMI port or even a new cable. Also, make sure your connected device, like a set-top box or gaming console, is turned on and working properly. Step 3. Perform a system restart from settings. If you can still see a faint picture or use the Roku app as a remote, go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart. This forces your TV to reboot and clears temporary software errors. Step 4. Factory reset the TV. If the issue continues, try a factory reset. On the side or back of your TV, find the small reset button. Press and hold it for about 20 seconds until the TV restarts. Keep in mind, this will erase all your settings, but it can fix deep software bugs. If none of these steps work, the problem might be with the TV's backlight or hardware. In that case, you'll need professional repair service. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and share it with others.